Hey, little puck. Pucky poo. She's so dark you can barely even see her. What's going on, you guys? Hope everybody's having a good Wednesday. I'm just waking up, really. Still on vacation, so I took vacation just because the Lightning were they're home all week, and just wanted to get back in the flow of going to the games and enjoy it. So I'm just relaxing, and it's like 9:30. I've been up for a little bit, but just hopping on. Gonna play some Grand Theft Auto, and yeah, hang out, take it easy, and it was a nice win last night for the Bolts, I should say. Played a pretty good game, so it was nice to see, and we played a good team too, so that also makes it gratifying. But random thing bugging me. I keep wearing a certain shirt in Grand Theft Auto Online, and like the design on the shirt is disappearing. It's really strange. Don't know why. Oh well. Puck says, I don't care. Just pet me and love me. You love me. You love me long time. You love me long time. I love you long time. Okay. Okay. Like I said, playing some GTA. She is dreaming like crazy right now. Yeah, I'm talking about you. Oh, I could smell her breath over here. She was dreaming. Her paw was like chasing the rabbit. Or Chloe. You be the judge.